In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a board into an Excel file within Monday.com. Exporting boards to Excel can simplify data manipulation, sharing, and archiving, making it incredibly efficient for personal use or for presenting information in a professional context. So, let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward process. First, you'll need to ensure that you're logged in to your Monday.com account. Once there, navigate to the board that you wish to export. Take a moment to review the board to ensure it contains all the necessary information you want to include in your Excel file. If you're working with a large team, it's a good idea to communicate with them before exporting, just to make sure no last-minute changes disrupt your workflow. After confirming everything is as you desire, focus your attention on the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a small icon consisting of 3 dots. This icon is commonly used for accessing additional options across many platforms, so it's great to familiarize yourself with its location on Monday.com. When you click on the 3 dots icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Search through this list until you find the option labeled More Actions. Selecting this option is like opening a toolbox of additional features Monday.com offers, beyond the basic ones you use daily. Next, within this expanded set of features, you'll see an option that says Export Board to Excel. Choosing this will conveniently generate a file that mirrors the setup of your board, converting it into an Excel format. Once you've clicked on the Export Board to Excel option, a new prompt will appear on your screen. Click on the Export button when you're ready. This action initiates the download process. Depending on the size of your board and the speed of your internet connection, this step might take a few moments. It's a good time to ensure you know the designated download location on your computer, typically your Downloads folder. This simplifies retrieving the file later on. As soon as the download is complete, you can navigate over to your computer's File Explorer to locate the Excel file. Open it up to take a look, and you'll find all of your board's data organized neatly in rows and columns. This Excel file allows for greater ease of analysis. Whether you are tallying results, creating charts, or just need a backup of your current board, having an Excel file is highly beneficial. And there you have it, a fully exported board from Monday.com, seamlessly transformed into an Excel file. This process not only enhances flexibility in how you utilize your board's information, but also empowers you with a variety of possibilities for further data management. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep optimizing your workflows effectively.